Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with State Farm easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the State Farm website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option and follow the prompts. Once logged in, locate the budgeting tools section. Click on the option for create a budget. You'll see a simple interface prompting you to enter your income. Start by entering your total monthly income. Next, move on to the expense categories listed on the page. Fill in your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Now, input your variable expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Allocate funds for savings and debt repayment in the designated areas. After entering all your data, review the information for accuracy. Click the Calculate Budget button to see your results. State Farm will display a summary of your budget, highlighting areas of overspending or savings. If adjustments are needed, go back and edit any of the entries. Once satisfied with your budget, click on the Save option. You can now download or print a copy of your budget for reference. Regularly revisit this budget to track your progress and make updates as necessary. Consider setting reminders for future budget reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.